Hi guys, what's up? I'm Maithili and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good and welcome to a weekend vlog. So since the past few days I have been feeling extremely demotivated to post content. I do try and push myself to post a lot of YouTube shorts, but I feel like the long form content really needs to take priority now. So yeah, I need to work on that. And this weekend it's gonna be a pretty chill weekend. We have some things that we need to do, so I'm gonna take you with me. And I thought ki let's just vlog. That is what I enjoy doing. That is the whole reason that I started the YouTube channel. So yeah, let's just vlog. So right now it's around 8:30, 8:45. I woke up some time back and बहुत अच्छी सी धूप आ रही है जो अब बादलों ने छुपा दी है. But yeah, let's see how the weekend goes. And of course I'm gonna take you with me. आज का agenda is सबसे पहले to get ready and then we're gonna eat some breakfast. And फिर देखते हैं कैसे जाता है दिन. Stay tuned. Also, the dhoop is actually the star and the highlight of today. Hi guys, I'm back to my OG position. मैंने नहा लिया है. I have showered very nicely and अब it's time to have a breakfast. I'm pretty late actually. इतना late normally मैं breakfast नहीं करती हूँ, but it's very late, but it's okay. For today it's okay. So I am having my favorite coffee from Starbucks because it's the weekend and I just wanted to have it. So yeah. For my breakfast today I have a bunch of fruits जो मैंने cut किए हैं. We have apple, we have banana, we have dragon fruit. That is what I'm gonna eat. That's gonna be my breakfast. चलो फटाफट से breakfast कर लेते हैं. I'll just watch my Big Bang Theory while having breakfast. And फिर हमें थोड़ा सा ऑफिस का काम करना है. And then I have a dentist appointment at 12. So I have to leave the house by 11:45. I'm gonna go to the dentist. So that is what my Saturday looks like till now. Let's go. Hi guys, I'm back home और मैं थोड़ा सा शॉपिंग करके आई. क्या बताती हूँ. I got 2 separate brushes to paint. मेरे पास already है काफ़ी सारे brushes, but I still got more. I'm a painting obsessed girly. I got these 3 different canvas boards in different sizes because I don't know what I want to paint. So we'll figure it out when we sit to paint. And I got 2 new paints. मैं जब भी जाती हूँ stationery shop, I end up buying paints because hey, you can't have enough paints. So these are the Fevicryl paints in the purple color, and this is like a lime yellow, buttercup yellow shade. The dentist appointment was successful and I'm so happy. I'm gonna pop like a to-do list right here just to like tick mark and check off things that have been done till now. अभी मुझे थोड़ा सा ऑफिस का काम है, so I'm gonna sit and finish my office work. Post that we'll probably figure out what we want to do. Also west side में बहुत बड़ा सा sale है and a lot of people are there because मेरे घर के बगल में ही है west side. And I really want to go and visit that, so let's hope that today is the day and I can finally visit it with my mom. That is the plan. आज evening में जाएंगे because कल Sunday है and it's gonna be super crowded. But yeah, we're gonna sit and paint today in the evening. Let's see what do we end up painting. I also have to shoot 3 YouTube shorts and 1 long form video, which I'm planning to finish either today by night or tomorrow. Is checking in after quite some time. अभी शाम के 7:15 हो रहे हैं. As you can make out from my voice, I had gone off to sleep because बारिश हो रही थी and मेरे वेस्ट साइड जाने के plans cancel हो गए and I literally was like okay, let's just sleep. So I did my office work, I went off to sleep and मैं बस अभी उठी हूँ. It's अभी मतलब थोड़ी देर पहले 6:30 around. And yeah, it's 7:15, so come let's make dinner together. Today I'm making my very very favorite vegetable toast. I literally लव माई सेल्फ गुड वेजिटेबल टोस्ट. मैं नॉर्मली उसको ब्रेकफास्ट में खाती हूँ, बट आज मेरे को बहुत क्रेविंग हो रही है तो मैं डिनर में बना रही हूँ. सो या Come, let's make it together. I'm also going to show you the recipe of how I make it. I know I had promised it like long time back, but आज finally वो मुहूर्त निकला है. Welcome to the kitchen guys. बहुत टाइम बाद. So today I'm gonna make my vegetable toast. So सबसे पहले मैंने लिया है brown bread. You can take any bread as per your preference. और ये बाजू में macaroni बन रही है because Meera wanted to eat macaroni for dinner. So yeah, now let's quickly look at the ingredients. So I have chopped tomatoes and capsicum. You can use any veggies with some cheese cube and some tomato ketchup. एक बार ये bread एक side से toast हो जाए तो just flip the bread and then for the base I'm using tomato ketchup. You can also use धनिया चटनी. It's very healthy and very tasty. और फिर इसमें हम डाल देंगे वेजीज. यू कैन यूज़ कॉर्न, यू कैन यूज़ ब्रोकली, एनी एंड एवरी वेजिटेबल वर्क्स. फिर मैंने चीज़ ग्रेट कर दिया एंड लास्ट में एडेड अ लॉट ऑफ मिक्स्ड हर्ब्स एंड या दिस इज़ रेडी. फिर इसको हमें धीमी आंच पे हल्का सा पकाना है. यू लेट द अदर साइड गेट toasted properly and then yeah, this is what my dinner looks like. Yummy vegetable toast with some macaroni and the cold coffee, of course. Hi guys, checking in after quite some time. I am on a wardrobe arranging spree today. मैंने सारे अरेंज करके निकाल दिया है कपड़ा फ्रॉम दिस एरिया एंड आई रियली हैव टू लाइक फिगर दिस आउट. कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. राइट नाउ इट इज़ 10:35. मेरे को पेंटिंग भी करने बैठना है, सो आई एम गोना डू दैट. बट बिफोर दैट लेट्स जस्ट क्विकली अरेंज ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. रात के बज रहे हैं 2 और I just finished filming 2 different YouTube shorts. I'm so happy with myself and I actually wanted to share something on this vlog as well because obviously I did not have the chance previously. Also the reason that I'm holding a mic is because I was shooting. But yeah, I wanted to share something very special in this vlog. I recently bought a luxury perfume for myself. Now if you know me, you know that I am a perfume obsessed girly. I love smelling good, feeling the fragrance. I just love all of it, okay? So I recently ordered something from Tira. It is the YSL Libre perfume. That was the YouTube short that I just filmed. I am so happy and so grateful to be able to do it. I mean, earlier it was always a dream because I wouldn't want to spend so much amount on a perfume. But I was able to do that and I am so happy and so grateful in this moment. Thinking of it just is giving me all kinds of goosebumps. I am in love with the fragrance, with the perfume, with YSL. So yeah, manifesting a lot of more luxury items, everything that I've always wanted to buy. I hope we can do it all, we can achieve it together. And yeah, that's about it. I think I'm gonna call it a night now. I'm gonna go off to sleep because it's almost 1:30ish. 2 बज जाएंगे because I need to remove whatever little makeup that I've done and need to pack a few things because I have to leave on Monday morning. So yeah, that is what my plan is. And painting हम कल करेंगे definitely. Good night. I'll see you soon tomorrow morning once I wake up.
The next day.
Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day. Today is a Sunday. मैं उठ गई हूँ, मैंने नहा लिया है और I am ready. It's almost 10:45 right now, so 11 बजने वाले हैं basically. Let's quickly eat something because मैंने सुबह से कुछ खाया नहीं है. And then we'll see how the day goes. Of course, I'll take you with me. So stay tuned. So for my breakfast today, I'm having साबुदाना की खिचड़ी जो मम्मा ने अभी बनाई है with some pineapple pieces. So this is gonna be my breakfast. So yeah, I'm not planning to have coffee right now because we are planning to go to a cafe. So I think तभी मैं खाऊंगी. अभी I'm literally starting my morning with pineapple. I genuinely really like pineapples. Also ignore the mess in the background. That's because I need to clean up my study table. So yeah. Hi guys, I am ready. It's 12:10 right now और मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ किया नहीं है. Very basic, very simple, literally nothing much. I'm actually kind of going in my lounge wear, like a very comfy, loose, oversized t-shirt and jeans. That's gonna be our look. Let's go. Guys, we are off to the West Side store. I hope कि आज थोड़ी भीड़ कम हो. Although आज Sunday है, so there's a high probability that there are a lot of people. But yeah. Done with the shopping, guys, and now we're off to the Modernist Cafe after ages. This is the building, it's called the Sears, and I'm so excited. I've come with my dad and my little sister. Coffee frappe, and this is chocolate shake. How is your sandwich?
Nice.
How is the ramen? Rated out of 10.
6.5.
8 and 6.5. Meera is a very bad critic, so please guys do not listen to her ratings. But it's genuinely good. Like, you guys can come if you want. But the chocolate shake was very nice, and the coffee was also very good, and the sandwich also. She only likes chocolate basically. Guys, we are done with our Modernist. अब हम जा रहे हैं back home. Let me show you the view. It's so pretty. 7th floor से this is the view, okay? And guys, शाम के बज गए हैं 5 o'clock and we are here at the TVS showroom because हमें कब से एक 2-wheeler लेना था, so we were just trying out the new Jupiter model that they have launched. They do have a lot of different variants and colors in Jupiter, so we just thought that, you know, let's just take a look at all of them. Hi guys, we are at the TVS center and हमने देखे हैं 3 different models for Jupiter. एक की हमने टेस्ट ड्राइव ली है and let's see how it goes. मतलब आज हम खाली ऐसे टेस्ट ड्राइव के लिए आए हैं. There is no immediate buying that we are going to do. Let's see how it goes. I really like Jupiter a lot, guys. Okay, and TVS has been like a constant since a very very long time. मतलब our first scooty was a TVS scooty जो अभी भी हमारे पास है, by the way. So yeah, it holds a very special place. अब let's see how it goes.
Fun, guys.
This is not that fun, but as an adult, you have to do these things.
I'm not an adult, guys. इस महीने होगी मैं
18 की ही है ये.
नहीं मैं
But she doesn't want to take any responsibility and act
Oh
like a
hello.
spoiled younger
Oh
brat
hello.
child.
I am still 17 and मैं अभी 14 अगस्त को होंगी 18 की. So please.
So post our visit to the TVS, हम रास्ते में रुक गए at this new shop called Madhvi. They make really good ice creams. So I really became a fan and I thought चलो कुछ खरीद लेते हैं. We also got a few namkeen snacks and this girl just ended up sitting like a passenger princess there. Hi guys, it's 7 o'clock right now. हम आ चुके हैं घर वापस. I had my ice cream that we had gotten from Madhvi. अब मैं सोच रही हूँ I will sit down and do my painting. I also have to film a YouTube short, so I also need to finish doing that, and I have to edit a long form video जो कब से pending है, so I'm gonna sit and do that. Also I have to leave for Ahmedabad tomorrow morning and tomorrow is a Monday, so there's gonna be a lot of work. So yeah, I'm kind of dreading that. I also need to like finish packing whatever little, मतलब मैं इतना सारा सामान लाती नहीं हूँ, but जो भी थोड़ा बहुत है I just need to pack and be ready for tomorrow morning. That's what our plan is. Finally, I'm gonna sit and just paint. That's how it's gonna be. I hope you like it. I'm gonna get myself a sipper full of water because I feel like I haven't hydrated myself throughout the day. You're gonna come with me and watch me paint. Might be aesthetic, might not be aesthetic. I don't know. Decide for yourself. गाइस, सो आई एम फाइनली डन. मेरे को 1 घंटा लगा, बीच में मैंने डिनर भी कर लिया जाके, बट आई हैव फाइनली डन द पेंटिंग. I have tried to like capture the process of me painting, but I don't know कितना aesthetic है, क्या है. It's just something that I enjoy doing. तो मैंने 1 घंटा बैठ के पेंट किया है ये, and I love it. I have a lot of different mini paintings. Let me know if you guys want to see it. I'll make a separate long form video and I'll talk about each of them, how it has a different story to it. Okay, so today I have created a super cute mini painting and I'm definitely gonna put it on display right above my bed. That is literally the place where I display all of my paintings. कुछ paintings आपने backdrop में भी देखे होंगे, but I will show you guys separately कि मैंने क्या क्या paint किया है, but I enjoy doing this occasionally. So yeah, this is the final painting and I definitely love it. It's obviously, I'm not an artist. I'm not someone who's learned how to paint, how to draw. I just do it because it's an expression of my creativity. It's an outlet to showcase my creative skills and it brings a lot of peace. It's very therapeutic. So that is the only reason that I do it. Anyways, बहुत हो गई बग रात के बज रहे हैं 9. Literally, I did finish my dinner. I did finish the painting. I'm very happy that I was able to do all of that. अब हम जाएंगे for a quick walk because it's 9 o'clock. I'm gonna go take a walk for about half an hour, 40 minutes. Once I come back from walking, फिर हम देखते हैं क्या करेंगे. Let me know in the comments how you liked my cute mini painting. Alright guys, this is it. I'm done with my walking and I'm done for the day as well. It's almost 10:30. I'm gonna go back home and I'm gonna rest. I'm gonna go off to sleep probably in some time. But yeah, this was it for the vlog. Let me know how you liked it and should I make more of such content. If you did like it, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.